Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be making Tunisian Brik. These are the ingredients I'll be using. 2 medium potatoes cooked. Pour in a mixing bowl. A quarter finely chopped and caramelized onions. 1 can tuna. Tuna is optional. Finely chopped parsley. 7 beaten eggs. Salt and pepper for taste. Mix together in a mixing bowl. Mix evenly. Make sure all the ingredients is mixed with the eggs. This is going to be our filling for the Tunisian Brik. Instead of using melsuka, I'll be using egg roll wrappers. Take a few out from the packaging. Lay it out on the cutting board. We can fit 3 on the cutting board. 2 tablespoons of filling on the lower right corner of the wrapper. Don't get too close to the edge. You're going to want to seal the egg roll wrapper. Applying egg whites. Fold over and pat it down and make sure it's closed and sealed. I'm going to continue this process until all my fillings are used. I've preheated my vegetable oil. I wasn't able to find any melsuka, so I'm using egg roll wrappers. Gently put in the vegetable oil away from you. This is something you don't want to do. Okay, when you're flipping it, make sure you grab it from the shorter of the triangle and come towards you. If you flip it from the longer side, it'll bend and sometimes it will break. Once it turns golden brown down at the bottom, that's when you'll turn the Tunisian Brik. Take any excess vegetable oil and I've put it in a pot with paper towel to soak up oil. Lay it away from you when you put in the vegetable oil. You'll start to see it brown around the edges. You'll have it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then gently flip towards you. I will continue to cook all the brik that I've created. This is a delicious Tunisian appetizer. So amazing. When we get this all done, I will plate my Tunisian Brik. This is the final results. I've garnished with parsley. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out and comment below. Please subscribe. I'll be posting weekly videos. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.